In the middle of a forgotten junkyard, buried under years of rust, dust, and neglect, I discovered something incredible. A legendary American muscle car, the 1971 Plymouth Barracuda. Most people would walk away from a car in this condition. Broken engine, rusted body, destroyed interior. But I saw something different. I saw potential. Today, we're going to attempt something crazy. We're going to bring this abandoned Barracuda back to life and transform it from junkyard scrap into a roaring American muscle machine. Let's begin. Discovery. The car had clearly been sitting here for years. Dust covered every surface. The tires were completely flat, and the interior looked like time had completely destroyed it.
All right, let's get this beast
but
open.
The iconic shape of the Barracuda
Now for the tools,
was still
time
there.
to dig in.
That aggressive front end, that legendary muscle car stance. Under all this rust, there was still a monster waiting to wake up. So we loaded the car onto a tow truck and brought it back to the workshop. Disassembly. Before any restoration could begin, everything had to come apart. The wheels came off first, then the destroyed interior. Seats, dashboard, wiring. Every piece removed carefully. Next came the heart of the car, the old V8 engine. Years of rust and oil buildup had taken their toll. Using a heavy chain hoist, we slowly lifted the engine out of the car. Now the real work could begin. Body restoration. The body of the Barracuda was in rough shape. Rust had eaten through several panels, so we started grinding away the corrosion. Sparks flew across the workshop floor as damaged metal was removed. New steel panels were welded in place.
All right, easing it away from the CUDA.
Then came hours of
Steady
sanding,
now, bring it over the
grinding,
stand.
and smoothing every surface.
All right, let's get this
Little by
engine bay
little,
spotless.
The Barracuda's original shape started
Look at
coming
that.
back.
Good as new.
Once the body was perfect, it was finally time for paint. Paint transformation. The car was carefully masked inside the paint booth. Then the first coat of primer was applied. This step is critical.
Let's
It
get this
reveals
rusted piece
every
off.
tiny imperfection.
Weld the new panel now.
After sanding the primer
Looks solid.
clear,
A perfect
the
fit.
moment finally arrived. The color code. Deep, glossy, black. Layer by layer. The Barracuda transformed from a rusted junkyard wreck into a sleek American muscle car once again. After polishing the paint, the body looked like a mirror. But we weren't finished yet. Rebuild. Next came the rebuild. New wheels were installed. The restored V8 engine was carefully lowered back into the engine bay. Wiring, hoses, fuel system. Everything connected piece by piece. Inside the car, new seats were installed. A restored dashboard. Fresh interior trim. Slowly, the Barracuda was coming back to life. First engine start. Now came the moment every restoration project waits for. The first engine start. Fresh oil was added. The key turned. For a second, nothing happened.
Starting on the primer.
Then suddenly,
Got to get it smooth.
the V8 roared to life.
All right, feels good.
That deep
Perfectly
muscle
smooth.
car rumble echoed through the entire workshop. After years of silence, the Barracuda was alive again. Final reveal. With everything complete, it was time for the first drive. The garage doors
Time to buff
opened.
this beauty to a mirror
Sunlight
shine.
hit the fresh black paint.
Look
and
at that
the
reflection
Barracuda
now.
rolled out of the workshop. What was once a forgotten junkyard relic is now a fully restored American muscle car. Proof that with enough patience and a little bit of passion, even the most abandoned machines can come back to life. And honestly, this is just the beginning.
All right, that seat's locked in tight. There we go. The new leather really completes it. All right, dashboard's aligned. Let's get it bolted in. Perfect. One last screw and she's done. There she is. Listen to that growl. All right, let's take her out. There we go, into the light.